Hello dudes, let's today put a light on the topic of the best time today to drink a water. Somehow let's see drinking water benefits. Nowadays more and more people start taking care of their health. They eat healthy foods, attend a gym and consult their doctor regularly. All these things help them to keep their body healthy, slim and energized. However, there is some tips which you should do feel much better. We all know that hydration is essential for our health. One should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Yes, this will help you to feel better. However, you should know that there are the most suitable times of day to drink a water. Today we have some important information for you, okay? Here are the most times of day when you should drink water. These will help you to get more benefits for your body. By following these tips, you will improve your health condition and feel really great. So let's take in the morning at the 8 a.m. by drinking water on empty stomach, you will achieve healthy level of hydration. It is also a good way to wake your body up and get it prepared for your breakfast. Remember that it's important both to eat and to drink in the morning. In this way, you will stay healthy and have more energy. So next in morning break at 11 a.m., you should not forget to drink water at this time. In this way, you will reduce your appetite and won't eat extra meal before lunch. Beside it, it will help you to drink 1.5 liters of water per day. Now, at the lunch 1 p.m., some people think that drinking water during their meal is harmful for the digestive system. However, the truth is that effect it will be completely opposite. A glass of sparkling water during your lunch will improve your digestion. After the lunch in the afternoon at 4 p.m., there is a rather big period of time between the lunch and the dinner. Just learn to listen to your body and take a glass of water to hydrate your body when it's necessary. Somehow, we reach the dinner at 8 p.m. You can drink a glass of sparkling water before dinner. In this way, you will manage to drink necessary amount of water during the day. So here, we end up with our video. If you got something, then don't miss to hit a like. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you.